Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel Quaint. Today's topic of discussion is female masturbation. Actually, topic is what many women feel shame around masturbation, and this is the topic of discussion. How they actually should overcome this shame. Okay, so anyway, you know that there are so many reasons like cultural taboos are there. In many societies, female sexuality is controlled, silenced, or seen as something meant only to please men. Yes, they are taught like this. Women are taught like their vagina should remain intact before their marriages. Before their marriage, their vagina should remain intact, and that's why they should not masturbate. That means they are as if they are born just to please their husbands. And that's why they are discouraged. So this was what cultural taboos. Then one more point is there, moral conditioning, religious and moral conditioning. Messages like good girls don't do this. That means good girls don't masturbate. Or it's sinful. That means masturbation is sinful. So these messages actually leave lasting scars. This is known fact. Again, in many societies, a lack of sex education is there. When they grow up, when women grow up, they are not actually taught that female masturbation is actually normal, healthy, and even beneficial. Because science says this. Normal, healthy, and beneficial. But women are not taught. It is expected that, in most of the cases, it is expected because our society is conservative. Okay, so it is expected that women should acquire that knowledge from their mothers. But in many cases or in many societies, this thing doesn't happen. Again, double standards is there. You know that male masturbation is normally normalized or joked about, but female masturbation, they are actually judged or ridiculed. They are actually judged or ridiculed for their same behavior. But science says what? Science says masturbation is actually normal, healthy, and beneficial. Science says that it can reduce stress and improve mood. It can help explore what feels good for women, and it improves actually communication in relationships. Then science also says that it can do what? It can release endorphins. It can improve sleep. It can create a stronger sense of body confidence and self-awareness. That means instead of shame, women deserve another thing. Women actually deserve to feel what? Feel about self-awareness, empowerment, self-confidence. Okay, anyway, and so what are the ways how to overcome this shame? If women want to overcome this shame, then few steps are there. If they follow those steps, then they can easily overcome these challenges, or better to say this shame. First of all, challenge old beliefs. Just ask yourself, is this belief helping me or holding me back? Okay, then you just replace, means reframe that words like masturbation is dirty, okay, or bad. So you just reframe those words by that it is good, it is normal, it is healthy, it is my body, it is my choice, it is my health, like this. Okay, so many things are there. And one more thing, they should read about female sexuality and the science behind pleasure. If women do all these things, then they should talk to their trusted friends, partners, and if required, therapists are also there. Because breaking silence is just like breaking stigma. And acquiring knowledge is just like breaking stigma. Stigma is there. And that's why women feel shame around this. They even don't like to talk about this thing openly or publicly because they feel actually shame. And reason of shame actually comes from culture, comes from religion, comes from society. They are taught like this from their childhood. But males are not taught like this. And that's why we can find a difference between males and females. Anyway, so many steps are there. If women follow all those steps, okay, the most important thing is what? You just acquire knowledge. So you should read about female sexuality. Okay, you should read about female sexuality and you should know the science behind pleasure. Okay, if you do all these things, then you can easily overcome your shame around masturbation. Anyway, the main thing is that science supports this. This is normal, this is healthy, this is beneficial too. And many societies or many cultures actually restrict women from doing this thing. Okay, choice is yours. Anyway, this was all about today's topic and this is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. This is the end. Thanks for watching.